I'm going to show you some seriously cool PowerPoint tricks that will blow your mind. We're talking icon hacks, illustration tricks, and even creating animated characters. So grab your laptops and let's dive in. First up, we're playing with icons. Go to Insert, then click Icons. You'll find a ton of Microsoft's icons ready to use. Let's type chat and grab a chat icon. Hit Insert. I'll make it bigger so you can see it clearly. Now if you go to Graphic Fill and change the color, it changes the whole icon, which isn't what we want. But here's the trick. Right-click the icon and choose Convert to Shape. Now you can change the colors of individual parts. How cool is that? Because it's now a shape, you can even type directly on it. If you want to adjust the text position, right-click, go to Format Shape, then Text Options. Click the little text box icon and play with the bottom margin. Perfect! Now you've got a customized icon that looks way better and is super versatile. Let's do another icon example. Go to Insert, Icons, and this time, let's grab a to-do list icon. Insert it, resize it, and right-click to convert to shape. Now here's the fun part. Let's say we only need 3 items on our list. Just delete the extras. Let's make the ticks green. Then make the crosses red and the lines light grey. Awesome! Quick tip, when you resize after converting, you'll notice it's not grouped anymore. So I'll Ctrl-Z to undo, then select everything, right-click and group them. Now you can resize and move it around as one piece. Go ahead and play with this, it's super handy. Next, we're tackling illustrations. Go to Insert, Icons, and then Illustrations. There are tons of cool graphics here. Let's pick one and hit Insert. Just like with icons, Graphic Fill will only change the highlight color. That might be enough for some, but for more control, right-click the illustration and Convert to Shape. This breaks it down into individual shapes. You can move parts around, resize them, rotate them, you name it. Let's try something else. Go to Insert, Icons, Illustrations. This time we're creating a little scene, a bus driving past a city. So we'll find a city landscape and a bus illustration and insert them both. Send the city to the back, zoom out a bit, enlarge the city and position it. Then bring the bus down to the road. Convert the city to a shape. Then change the sky to a nice light blue. You can even click again on grouped elements to select individual parts and change their colors. Let's make these windows purple just for fun. After making your changes, regroup the background, making sure you don't select the bus. Then duplicate the slide. Now for the magic. On the second slide, move the city to the left edge, then move the bus forward a bit. Now for the final touch, go to Transitions and choose Morph. Instant animation. Pretty neat, right? If you're enjoying these illustration tricks, don't forget to hit that like button. Last but not least, let's create some cartoon characters. Go to Insert, Icons, Cartoon People. You'll find tons of body parts, faces and heads. So let's make our own character. So we'll grab a body, a head, and a face, and insert them. Position the head and face on the body. And we've got a character. Let's make it even better. Change the slide background to blue. And group the character. we're doing another morph. Duplicate the slide, enlarge the character, and move her down a bit. Now, let's change her face. Right-click on the face, change graphic, from icons, cartoon people, and pick a new expression, and insert it. Now if you apply the morph transition, you'll notice it just fades. Here's the fix. Go to Home, Arrange, Selection pane, and rename the group on both slides by adding 2 exclamation points at the beginning of the name. This tells PowerPoint they're the same object. Now apply the morph transition again. Perfect! It morphs the face. How cool is that? But what if I told you there was even more amazing ways to use Morph? We're talking about some seriously creative morphing techniques that will take your presentations to a whole new level. Check out this video where we deep dive into a cool slide design and morphing.